Alright, so I'm hiding from the camera right now because this is their channel right now. So say hi to the subscribers.
Hi!
Alright, so I have a surprise for them. They have no idea, but they're going to do an unboxing and you're going to see their reaction to what I got them. So reach behind you and there's 2 boxes on the right side, right there.
Right or
No, your mom has them. There's 2 right there. The big one is yours, the small one is... Oh, no, swap. Other way.
Oh,
Okay.
sorry, excuse me. Strayer University.
Yeah, just open them. Ignore what's on it.
Strayer. 1, 2.
Okay, what do we feel like I have
1, 2, 3.
Oh, Isi probably already has an idea.
I knew it! Because he posted something on Facebook and I was like, I don't know, he posted
my-
an iPhone!
Yeah, my iPhone 6.
Hey, how about you? You got one?
That's why you said your phone is not working.
That's why my phone's not working. It's
Oh,
transferring data
okay.
right now. Mine's transferring the data.
Oh my god.
Oh my god, baby.
Thanks, Dad. No, because if you could show them the
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
I got an iPhone Pro Max. I ordered it in blue. It came in black.
I don't wanna.
They're all the 5.
Don't tell us right now because I want to see.
They're all the 512. Hers is the Pro. Hers is the Pro Max because she doesn't like big phones.
I have
It's weird, a woman not liking big things. I don't know, but
Chanel.
Oh, so we all have white. Oh no, Dad has
I have black. And I ordered blue.
No.
I ordered blue, but
Yeah.
they sent black.
You want this?
She don't want the bigger phone.
No, don't. Is this the one that you came out? What is this?
I think
Yeah, that's
so.
the iPhone 15. That is the brand new iPhone. I pre-ordered it like 2 weeks ago, and I've like not said anything for 2 weeks
want them
because
to show,
I
like,
can't keep
look at
a
my old
surprise. Yeah, no, her
Yeah.
old phone.
That's your old phone.
This is my old phone. This is the
Yeah.
iPhone 11 Pro Max.
And then
Maybe
I
they
cracked my
didn't have a
camera.
pink
And
one.
her camera, like her camera.
Pink one. I like
I don't think you can.
want any of your colors.
Your iPhone's cracked.
This one
So
looks
pink
clear.
is not out. They only had black, white,
I like
blue, and I don't remember the other color, but it
What
was
color
not.
is your blue?
It's not. So I
It's not.
ordered blue.
And they sent you black?
And I got black. And I looked at my order says black. So either they messed up or I accidentally didn't reselect blue on my order, which is fine.
Oh, we got a new
So-
phone, guys. Thank you, baby.
See?
Thanks, Dad. I don't have to ask you guys to take pictures anymore because I'm like, take pictures because my
Because
phone is...
her phone camera wasn't working.
Yeah.
But you need to buy a case like mine because...
I'm gonna get it.
Hi,
Because
Papa.
my-
Oh, and also they changed the charger.
my
port.
case-
Is it? I think it's
So
the same as iPad.
the one complaint I have is you have it's now the new USB Type C,
Yeah,
which
I
is
knew it.
that's awesome. Except one problem.
Oh.
How many of you guys have a USB-C charging block to charge your phone?
Yeah.
So we luckily have some tablets that have the
Yeah,
USB-C.
Oh, it doesn't come with it?
It doesn't come with it. Yeah, that's
They gave
so
a cord,
stupid. They
but
give the
there's
cord,
no-
but there's no charging port to plug it in. They assume everyone has a
Wow.
USB-C charger.
Or they have like a Mac or like an iPad.
Mac too, yeah.
Yeah.
Same.
Yeah, but luckily we have
But that's
tablets.
how they make
so.
money. You
Yeah.
can get
You don't have a tablet.
Oh, I know.
But you can use your Mac charger.
I
Yeah.
use my Mac, but
That's longer too.
I'm just gonna go order some now. I didn't
And
want
you
to.
know what, baby?
I
You
didn't
just
want
order
to. I didn't want to order it on Amazon. The charging cables and chargers and all that because they would
I
see.
didn't know, but I had.
They would
a-
all of a sudden
I had
see
a,
the
like,
charging
inkling
cables and that.
Yeah, I had a feeling that you were
Why?
gonna get us new phones. First,
She saw the Facebook post of the
I saw
iPhone
the Facebook
6.
post. He was like, "Oh, it's like 6 years from like
It's
when
been
you posted
so
it."
long ago. Yeah.
Yeah.
I did, but your
And I was
dad
like-
normally just post.
I know. I normally will like say something.
Yeah,
and
and
ruin
no,
it.
no, and you said something, and Sujal were like, "Oh, there's this coming, like a surprise," and I was like, "What surprise?" And I'm like,
Oh, so Sujal.
"No, Sujal didn't say anything."
you ruined it.
No, he didn't say anything. He didn't, but I knew
Her
because I'm
boyfriend.
like, he. I heard you and him talking. He was like, "Oh, I have a surprise for Natalie and Eleanor," and I was like,
But I didn't,
But
say
I
what
didn't
it
know what it
was.
was, so I was like, it couldn't not be a new laptop or other stuff, because I'm like, I don't think so. But I'm pretty sure it was a phone because you posted it on Facebook. So I was like,
But I didn't. I had posted the old phone. 'Cause
Yeah,
I
but
saw
I'm
the
like,
post. I was like,
So
oh.
honestly, what is the difference? Oh, it's the same.
It's different though. It's
It's
slightly bigger, I think. You'll have to check if it fits in your case. See if it'll fit. This is bigger. This phone is bigger. It is slightly bigger than the
It fits.
old Pro Max. Oh, so it's the same size. So it looks like the regular Pro is the same size as the 13.
I like the white.
But the
Yeah,
the Pro Max
No, but you better just. get it.
15 is
Wait, why
larger
not
than
white?
the 13 Pro Max.
I thought he got you blue.
No, I got
No,
white.
before. Didn't you get her blue? Like when you got her a new phone?
No, I got me a blue.
So which one now is the real one? It's the new one. It's the same.
Oh, gee, I wonder.
I
But
know.
now the fun
It's like
of
math.
having them transfer and set up all the phones, because guess who's gonna do that? Yeah, they always like, yeah, it's yeah.
I think I like a new. I think I like a big one.
Oh, too late. Like next time.
We swap.
Doug.
Nah, just kidding.
But the
Thank
new
you so
one has a
much.
way better camera, better
why?
zoom. They're both 512, so you now have more memory on yours than you had before.
Mine?
They're both
Same.
512 now, yeah. Because I think yours was 256.
Thank you so much.
So,
Greatly
yeah.
appreciate it. Guys, don't
Thanks,
forget to
Dad.
like and subscribe.
And
Yeah.
check out whatever other videos I have, because I have a lot.
Happy Friday!
Friday.
It probably
was
won't
a
be
good-
Friday when I post this, but you get the idea. It's Friday here.
Bye!
Bye.
Bye.